Hi everyone, welcome to Home Goods. Let's look at what they have, guys. Look at this. Oh, his face is hidden behind the rack over there. Look at that. Let's see what kind of Christmas stuff they have. Okay, so over here we have a sleigh. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I love that Santa. Look how nice that is. This says kitchen. What does it say? Lauren's Kitchen. $14.99. This is so pretty. Look at this. It looks like birchwood. $14.99. Here's another sleigh. Okay. This is so pretty. Okay, that's Cookie Cottage. $14.99. Very beautiful. Oh, look at this. Cupid's Christmas trees. And here's some mugs and some plates. Let's see how much these little, I love their dishes. That's $5.99 each. And look at this. He's so adorable. And then this, $6.99. Then you have like a little set back there. How cute. Oh, look, the red truck. Let me see how much that is. This is $9.99. Almost looks like an ice bucket. And look at these plates with ornaments on it. I don't know if I can take that down. Let's see. That's $4.99 each. Let me scan the rest. Look, the buffalo check with the reindeer. I can't get back there. And then this looks like a light bulb. Be Merry with the gnomes. That's $3.99. And look, the red truck tray. And here's the little ones. Let me see how much that is. Okay, that is $7.99. Here it is. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty that is. Oh, look, and the little dash of spoon in the sizes, ceramic, $5.99 with this, that's a snowman. How cute. And this is Mickey Mouse. Okay. Let's see what's over here. Is that not pretty? Look how pretty this is. Look, this is a gnome mug. And this is $4.99. And there's the gnome canister. Oh, look how cute. That is so pretty. How nice. This is a giving plate. And look at this. Noel. And the Christmas trees in the back. Merry and bright. Let's see what else they have. These are so pretty. Let's see how much that is. That's pretty heavy. Oh, this is nice. Oh, look, the Golden Girls. I love the Golden Girls. That's $4.99 for those mugs. This is very pretty too. Look at those vases and that tier tray. Oh, look how nice. This is beautiful, guys. A Lazy Susan. Absolutely gorgeous. I don't dare lift that up. Look at this tiny tray, tier tray. Let's see how much that is. $14.99. This is one of the center displays. Absolutely beautiful. I like that set. And so over here they have some leftover mugs. Let's see what they have. So this one over here says self-made. I like that. That's $5.99. They're kind of all mixed in. I am with you always, Matthew 28:20. I like that mug. Okay, let's see what else. So this white set over here is very pretty. I'll just go ahead and scan some of that for you. And look at this one over here. I like this gray set. That one says Dad. That one says Love Never Fails, 1 Corinthians 13:8. To coffee mug. That's very pretty. Dad, the man, the myth, the legend. Okay. I like this gray. Very nice. And there's a whole white set on that side. I like this set. Oh, look at the bee set. Okay, look at this. So this mug here says Be Happy. Those are $9.99 each. Measure your life in love. Very pretty. And look at the little canisters. The bee. So this little one is $5.99. So then we have this set over here. So this set over here is made in Portugal and it's all white. And then this one over here, wow, they're all hand done. And this one says Home Essential Indigo Wash. Look at those trays up there. Oh, look, these are mason jar. Yeah, they're glass. Let's see. $3.99. I like those. Look at Mi Casa, the highball glass. These are really nice. These are $9.99. And there's some more tier trays up here along the top. Those over there are so huge. Okay, happy B-Day. Give thanks. Isn't that nice? Let me see how much that is. $9.99. This one says cocktails. This one says save water, drink wine. That's so cute. Okay, and we have this section over here. Isn't that beautiful? I love those chargers over there, but I have to show you this tier tray. Look at the size of that, guys. And then you have this section here. Bon appetit. This is all made in wood. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, we have the Christmas glasses. Those are $3.99 a piece. They're very beautiful. Look at that reindeer. Then up there, that candle holder and those chargers, I love. This one here is $9.99. Then we have some Nautica stuff over here. I'm sorry for the noise, guys. Very pretty. This says we were on a break. Okay, and then we have some stuff over here. Some serving stuff. Here's a cake dish. And then these are I like these. These are like serving bowls, the wooden ones. A 3-tier here. Very nice. And here's some more Christmas stuff. Okay, so look at this. Oh, how cute. These are the gnomes. How pretty. And then these are the stemless. And this one here is the truck. And these are the nutcrackers. Very nice. Look at this. So pretty. Okay, that's $3.99. Then we have those. Very nice. I like this candle holder. Well, it's a tea light holder. It's very heavy. $12.99. And look at this. That says wine. Okay. Guys, I had this rooster behind me. I gotta show you. Look at the size of this rooster, smack in the middle of the floor. He is so adorable. Okay, look at these. Oh, I like that stem. Those are $4.99 each. Then look, these are the gingerbread. How nice. Look, drink up Grinches. Oh, drink up Grinches, it's Christmas. And look at this. That's a wine stopper with the red truck. Okay, and that's for wine. And then we have some more stuff over here. Okay, guys, let me see what's on this end cap here. This is nice. They're pre-wrapped gifts, and they're assorted candies. So you have that one, this one, this one. Look at this one. Is that a fire truck? I think that's a fire truck. Some candies. Look at this. The acorns. Okay, guys, thank you for coming with me to HomeGoods to look at their Christmas decor, and I'll see you in the next video.